In this video, I will show how to create hyperlink to a cell in another sheet in Microsoft Excel. So we have this sheet and we will create hyperlink for this one, and we will create hyperlink for this one. So right click on it, then click on link. Now select here place in this document. Select the sheet number. So I want to link this text into sheet 1. So you can select it or any particular cell. Like I want to link here. So this is the B13. So right click on it and link. Same select here, place in this document and type the cell reference like B13 sheet 1, then click on OK. Now we can see this will change, and once you click on it, so it will redirect in another cell in another sheet. So thanks for watching. Comment on this video useful for you.